Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Where do you come from?
Hi. How are you?
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Anna. And you?
I'm Harry. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Harry.
So, Anna, where do you come from?
I come from the United States.
Oh. That's nice. Which city?
I come from New York. And you? Where do you come from?
I come from Nepal. I live in Kathmandu.
Wow. Nepal is a beautiful country. I want to visit someday.
Thank you. You are welcome anytime. Have you ever been to Asia?
Yes, I visited Japan last year. I love it there.
That's great. I want to go to Japan too.
So, do you speak English well?
I am learning English now. That's why I ask people, where do you come from?
That's a good way to practice. You speak very well.
Thank you, Anna. And you? How long have you spoken English?
I speak English every day because it is my main language.
I see. I will practice more and speak better.
That's good. Practice is very important.
Yes, you are right. Thank you for talking with me today.
How was your vacation? Hi, welcome back. How was your vacation?
It was great, thank you.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Wow. Did you have fun?
Yes, I had so much fun. I swam in the sea and ate good food.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it was really relaxing.
How long was your vacation?
It was 1 week.
Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took many pictures. I will show you later.
Great. I'm happy you enjoyed it.
Thank you. How was your vacation?
Mine was simple. I stayed at home and watched movies.
That's also nice. Sometimes home is the best place.
Yes, true. Do you remember me?
Hi, do you remember me?
Yes, I remember you. You are Alex, right?
Yes, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Do you remember where we met?
Yes, we met at the park last month.
That's right, we were playing soccer.
Yes, I remember now. It was a fun day.
Exactly, I really enjoyed it.
Me too.
Do you remember my friend Sarah?
Oh yes, I remember her. She was very friendly.
Yes, she's my best friend.
That's nice. So, what are you doing these days?
I'm studying English.
Great. Keep practicing. You are doing well.
Thank you.
I like your style. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. By the way, I like your style.
Oh, thank you so much.
Your jacket looks really cool.
Thanks. I bought it yesterday.
Nice choice. You look great in it.
That's very kind of you.
I like your style of speaking too. You speak clearly.
Thank you. I'm practicing every day.
That's awesome. Practice makes you better.
Yes, you are right.
Do you like my style?
Yes, I like your style too. Your smile is very nice.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
You're welcome.